Hey guys, how's it going? So today here at Pearson Guitars, we have this Ibanez Les Paul lawsuit model from the 70s. What we've done so far is replace the two tone potentiometers for independent coil splits per pickup. But now I'm here by the setup, and there are a few buzzy spots on the fretboard, and what I initially wanted to do was a fret leveling to get rid of those, but there's just not enough material left on the frets. So I've advised that the customer does allows me to do refret, but the customer needs the guitar for one or two things before that. So I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna do the setup as best as I can with the buzzy spots and everything like that, and just try to get the guitar playing as well as possible with what we've got. And then in a month or two, when the customer is ready, then the customer will bring it back for a refret, and then I'll make more of a video then. Cool guys, so I think the main point of this video was just to show that, you know, sometimes things do get a little bit more complicated than just a setup or just a simple fret leveling. Like there are times where the guitar is really going to need a little more maintenance than that. So I hope you guys have a great week or weekend, or whenever you're watching this, have a good one. Cheers.